Decoding the phrase, get dumped. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, get dumped. If you've ever wondered about its meaning and usage in the English language, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this together. When we hear the word, dump, the first image that might pop into our minds is that of a garbage dump or a place where unwanted things are thrown away. In its most basic sense, dump means to drop or let fall in a mass. However, when we use it in the phrase, get dumped, it's not always so literal. In the context of relationships, get dumped often means to be broken up with. For example, if someone says, I got dumped last night, they're expressing that their partner ended the relationship. It can be an informal and sometimes playful way to discuss breakups, but for some, it might also carry a heavier, more emotional tone. Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in sentences. 1. Sarah got dumped last week, but she's handling it well. Here, it means Sarah's partner ended their relationship. 2. I'm afraid to get dumped if I tell him the truth. In this context, the speaker fears that revealing the truth might lead to the end of their relationship. 3. He's been feeling down ever since he got dumped. This indicates the emotional aftermath of a breakup. There are other phrases in English that convey the same or similar meanings. Here are a few. 1. Break up with someone. She broke up with her boyfriend last month. 2. End things. He wanted to end things before they got too serious. 3. Call it off. They decided to call it off after 5 years together. And there you have it. We hope that this video has shed some light on the phrase, get dumped. English is full of these interesting phrases that might not always make sense at first glance, but that's the beauty of language. Keep learning and exploring. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious.